Hey YouTube, Grunt Reviews here, and we are continuing our series on the Power Wagon. So today we're at 4 Wheel Parts over here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We got our helpful employee Mason, and we also have an RTI ramp. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if the electronic disconnecting sway bar in the Power Wagon actually makes a difference on the RTI numbers. Guys, go down below, hit like, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, set it to all. And if you like what we're doing here at the channel, there's a link in the description. Feel free to buy us a coffee, and let's get into it. All right, here we go. This is run 1. This is with the sway bar connected, 2-wheel drive, just like we'd be driving down the road.
Keep it about toward this outer edge. Good? Yeah, you're straight on. Go slowly. 2 foot it, just slow down. Alright, there it is.
All right, this will be run 2. Of course, we're in 4-wheel drive for this one to be able to disconnect the sway bar. Let's see if it makes a difference.
Go back just a hair. Pick that tire up. Pick up off the ground.
All right, last one, run 3. We are in 4 low. We get a little more traction going up the old ramp. The sway bar is connected, so we'll measure and see the difference. All right, so where do we make it to?
So disconnected, made it pretty much up to this bar here.
All right.
Which was 26.5.
26.5 inches.
4-wheel drive connected was 23, which is right about this range. And then 2-wheel drive connected.
Right about there. So, and thanks to 4 Wheel Parts, of course, and our good buddy here, Mason.
Yeah.
We're gonna get together, we're gonna run all the calculations and see what the final score is on it. So, little side note here, if you are going up one of the RTI ramps, it will catch the bumper just a little bit of damage, a little bit of battle scarring.
This one is
took some of the finish off, so not that big a deal. All right, here we go. We're gonna calculate this, and if you can't see this in the camera, so we got 26.5 inches with the sway bar disconnected, 149-inch wheelbase, and this is a 30-degree ramp. We ended up with a 355.7. All right, so four-wheel drive with it connected. We got 23 inches, still 149-inch wheelbase. Brought us out to 308.72. All right, and then two-wheel drive, of course, with it started to spin a little bit. We got 16.5 inches, same wheelbase, put us at 221.48. So just wanted to give you the numbers for those of you that like to calculate that stuff. Yeah, I just want to wrap it up with some final thoughts here. So this is my first time using an RTI ramp. If you're a math guy, I put all those numbers in, or I got everything obviously from the measurements from the RTI itself and our employee Mason, who helped us over at Four Wheel Parts, and I punched them into an internet calculator. Guys, numbers are hard. If I got it wrong, somebody drop a comment down below and let me know if the calculation was incorrect. But to the overall point of the video, it does look like that disconnecting the sway bar does improve articulation, and by a reasonable amount. The truck is all stock minus a set of 35-inch tires. So for me, it was kind of a curiosity thing. They just managed to have the ramp out there and figured we'd try it. As always, we appreciate you watching. Stay safe, train hard.